all the pieces out. I'm about to put all of this together. So I got one trellis done. I got it on the side, but it goes up like this. Let me put that right there. So it goes up like that, and the other one's there. And I still have to put these top bars across the top. Instructions are here. So when it's done, it should look like this. And that is going to go right over here, in between here. The grapevine is only going to grow up one side because it's not going to go down. I had another grapevine over there. Those were supposed to be like these are table grapes. This one, and then there was another one over there which it didn't grow. That was a I can't remember, was it Concord grapes? Well, one was purple and one was green, and they produced fruit at 2 different times of the year. And of course, that right there is cucumbers, which is going to be in the middle. But I'm gonna change all this after this growing season is done. I may just put flowers in between there or something. All right, guys. So it's getting hot. I'm trying to finish this up. Okay, so I finished that setup, which is here. And the other one's over there. Let's go to the next page. So now I'm on this part. I put all the screws in for the arch. And then there's a wood piece right here, which is this. And the arch is right here. So just got a couple more steps and then this will be done. And everybody's swimming over there. Okay, so I got the trellis over here. I got to do some rearranging. I'll show you real quick. Oh, I got the bounce house over here. I'm drawing this out, but it's going to be right there. I need to get back here and dig some holes so the feet of the trellis can go in there. But I'm gonna move it over. It's gonna be centered, and that vine, I'm gonna start training it to go upside there. Pretty much it. Just got to finish doing that. Yeah, I'm drawing that out before I roll it up. And then we're going to build something up over here in the stone bed over there, a stone bed over here to do our vegetables and flowers. Okay, so I finally finished the trellis. I'm trying to train the grapevine to grow up that. Just put some tape on it. Once it latches onto that, I can take the tape off. So yeah, that's it. If you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also, this is not a gardening channel. It's just something I like to do every year. All right, guys, take care.